maximize and minimize z equal to 3x plus 4y subjected to x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Solution: region represented by constraint x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. So consider the equation x plus 2y equal to 8, x plus 2y equal to 8. So in this equation put x equal to 0, so 0 plus 2y equal to 8, so y equal to 8 by 2, y equal to 4. Okay, put y equal to 0, in this equation. So x plus 2 into 0 equal to 8, so x equal to 8. Therefore coordinates points are when x equal to 0, y equal to 4, and when x equal to 8, y equal to 0. Okay. Second one, region represented by second inequality 3x or constraint 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So consider the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, next put x equal to 0 in this equation. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into y equal to 12. So 2y equal to 12, y equal to 12 by 2. So y equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, y equal to 6. Next put y equal to 0. Then 3x plus 2 into 0 equal to 12. So 3x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 3. So x equal to 3 ones are 3 4s are 12, x equal to 4. Therefore coordinates points are 0, 6 and 4, 0. And next constraint x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. After that plot the graph, mark the x axis x dash, y dash, and write the scale. Okay, so coordinates points 0, consider the first equation. In that coordinates points are 0, 4 and 8, 0. So origin 0 here, 0, 4 here. Okay, 0, 4. Write the coordinate point. Next one 8, 0. 8 here, 0 exists this only. So 8, 0. After that join the point. Write the equation of the line. Okay, write the equation of the line. Now second equation, coordinates points are 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 6 here, write coordinate point 0, 6 and 4, 0 here, 4, 0. Next join the points using scale. So write the equation of the line 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Now look at the first line, x plus 2y equal to 8. Here we have x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. we have x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. So we have to shade below the line. If it is less than, we have to shade below the line. Okay. If it is less than or equal to 8, we have to shade below the line. If it is greater than or equal to 8, we have to shade above the line. Second one, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So, below the line, we have less than, so below the line. Okay. And we have x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, and these constraints we call non-negative constraints. So x greater than or equal to 0, which is the x-axis, this is the x-axis, and x greater than 0, so we have to shade above the line. We have to shade above the line. Okay. Next we have y greater than or equal to 0, and this is the y-axis, so we have to shade above the line. So this side. Okay. So, and now I will get a common region, and this is the common region. It includes 4 inequalities. So shade it darkly. So here corner points are 0, 4, A, B. This is the x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, C 4, 0 and D 0, 0. So here we have a 4 coordinates points, and darkly shaded region is obtained by using 4 constraints. And now this shaded region is called feasible region. Feasible region. Okay. Therefore, the shaded region is the feasible region. A, B, C, D. Determine the system of constraints and which is bounded. Okay. Therefore, the coordinates points of corner points are A of 3, 4, A of 3, 4, B of 2, 3, C of 4, 0 and D of 0, 0. Now we have to find the maximum and minimum value of the Z. So first one 0, 4, Z equal to 3x plus 4y. So Z equal to 3 into x equal to 0 plus 4 into 4. So 0 plus 4 4s are 16. So answer is 16. Okay. Next, Z equal to x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So 12 plus 6, 18. Here 18. Next, Z equal to 4, 0. So 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0. 3 4s are 12 plus 0. Answer is 12. Next, last one 0, 0. So Z equal to 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. So answer is 0. Okay. So here 0. Out of 4 values, maximum value is 18. Maximum value. And minimum value is 0. Minimum value is 0. Therefore, we conclude that minimum value of Z is 0 at point 0, 0. and maximum value of z is 18 at point 2 comma 3.